Hello and welcome back to Just the Chords. Today we're looking at Twilight Zone by Ariana Grande. This song is super simple. It only features 2 different patterns. So we'll look at the 4 chords that make up the first pattern, and then we'll look at the 3 chords that make up the second pattern. And there you have it. Using my spacey tone today on my electric keyboard. We start in F major. So we need an F, A, C. That's the key of the piece and the first chord in every verse and chorus. Practice putting that into some roots in the left hand. Yeah. We then go on to a B flat major, find that B flat key and build the triad B flat, D, F. B flat major on B flat, D, F. Practice putting a root in the left hand. We're halfway there. Third chord is D minor, D, F, A, all white keys, D minor, D, F, A, the root in the left hand. And the final chord of our verse and chorus pattern is good old C major, C, E, G. We know it, we love it. All of those chords play for about 8 beats. So if I'm counting 5, 6, 7, 8, hold F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4 on the B flat, then the D minor, 7, 8, then the C major, feel that pulse, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as the song builds, we can just play with that texture by breaking it up into more half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes. Feel that pulse divide into a... Repeat. Or add even more texture if you're feeling super fancy. Here's challenge mode, but not necessary. The only time we hop off that pattern is for the pre-chorus, the couple of lines that come before the chorus. After we finish our verse pattern on that C major, we go and start the pre-chorus now on a B flat, same chord from before, B flat, D, F. Now for only 4 beats, move that right up to a C major, same as before, C, E, G. For just 4 beats, every chord in the pre-chorus is only 4 beats. It moves faster. We then go to a new chord, A minor, A, C, E, A minor, A, C, E, all white chords. Practice that with a root in the left. And then we move that back up to a B flat 2 times, and back up to a C major. So those chords, let's practice them in that odd pre-chorus pattern, starting on the B flat for 4 beats, 2, 3, pre-chorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 3, 4, B flat major, 2, 2, again, 2, 2, then it's C, back to the chorus pattern. And that's all it takes to rock it out like Ariana. Give us a like, a comment, a subscribe, and even check out our membership levels to get access to videos like these early and all of our members-only videos that can help build up your piano and keyboard skills. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.